I need some information first. I need to know the name of the towing officer or whoever towed the vehicle and the his business number. If you guys have employee numbers, whoever was working last night around Adams Point. You don't know his initials? Okay. What's his initials? I'm sorry. W. All right. What about the name of the business owner? And then the name of you guys' business license. But there's a number that's associated with the state. You don't have it? Does he know it? Sir, what's your name, sir? I'm sorry? None of my business. What are your initials? All right, who owns this location? Who? Chester. What's his first name? What's his last name? Murray. Murry. And you said neither one of you guys know the business license number for this location. Do you know if this location has a business license? With who? You don't know who the business license is with? When can I call to talk to Chester? What's his number? This right here? And when is Chester normally available? 11 and when? 3. It's 11 a.m. and 3 p.m., correct? All right. Hello? Anything else you can think of? They said they don't have a business license number and they don't know who the business license is with, but they give me the owner's name to call back later. Yeah, you guys are supposed to have a business license posted. That's a violation. I just said okay. What's your name? You don't have a name? You don't have to give me your name. All right. Yeah, he's standing here. You're not gonna make her give me her name?
No, sir, I'm not.
You're not gonna enforce the law?
What law says she has to give you her name?
I'm requesting her name, and
Okay,
she's
well,
working.
I'm asking
She's doing business with the state, who's public, and who works for the public. And
I don't know.
I, as the
law
public, I'm asking for your
requires her to give
name.
her
I'm asking for your name. All right, but I'm going forward with suit. All right. You'll be Jane Doe for right now. What's the fee that you're assessing against me? Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. Okay. Yeah. All right. What have you got? Whatever. I'm saying whatever you've got for me to pay for, whatever I gotta pay to sign, it's a black Honda. Tow fees 1, 2. Yeah. not signing that. That's fraud. You're not signing it. A contract is between two people. If you're making me sign something and you're sitting up here telling me that I can't get it if I don't put my initials to it, that means that you're forcing me under threat, duress, and coercion to give you something that I don't want to give you. Same way you won't give me your name, I don't have to give you my information. But you need to give me my vehicle. You gonna let her just keep my stuff like this? I'm sitting up here counting out the money to give her, and she's sitting there telling me I have to sign a certain way. You're not even gonna say nothing. This is ridiculous. Hello? Hello? Ma'am, I have the cash. Sure, since you're gonna force me to. Will I be getting a copy of this receipt? I gave you a signature. It's not going to. I told you I'm not giving you my signature. You have an autograph. No, you take that and you give me my vehicle. Are you serious, Mr. Butler? Mr. Butler.
Yes, sir.
At what point, if you present fiat to somebody that is demanding fiat or ransom, and they do not give you that, and if their business is to collect cash for vehicles, at what point is it a crime for them not to give your stuff over?
What is she asking you to do?
She's asking me to sign my name in a particular fashion for her. When I've already given her my money, I've already given her my autograph, I've already given her the energy on that piece of paper that she's required.
Care for your money in your pocket there. It's like I explained to you before. They have their rules. It's a company. If you don't like the way they do things, you talk to our tow coordinator, or you file a civil lawsuit.
All right.
Those are your choices at this point.
At this point, so I have the option to file a civil lawsuit.
Talk to her. I would go to our tow coordinator first.
Or go to the tow coordinator first. Okay,
then
first.
If you don't get satisfaction there, then you have the right to file a civil lawsuit. I mean, you can do the lawsuit first if you want to.
I know.
But it needs to be easier to talk to the tow coordinator.
I would hope. Hopefully, it would be.
This is a pretty routine thing. People come here and get their cars. So they tow probably hundreds of cars a day, and this is pretty routine business for them. People come. They have.
That's a part of the problem.
Yeah,
well. Come on. Excuse me. Oh, now she's on the phone. She's saying my signature doesn't match what's But just somehow I have the license. And if you're saying that that doesn't match what's on that license, you need to look a little bit carefully.